channel. How are you, my dear viewers? Today I am going to show you a practical in the field of civil engineering, and I have an area about 32 canal. So today I am going to partly divide. Today I am going to divide the land and separate a piece of land of 22 canal from that 32 canal. So I will show the practical. I am on the way, and we will meet inshallah in that area very soon. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. I'm here and reach to the site where the 32 canal land is available. This is the land, and we will inshallah separate 10 canal plot for establishing an institute. So today lecture is very important for all types of civil engineers, all types who are working in field site, who are teaching, who are involved in practical works. So my this video is very important. Assalamu alaikum viewer. This is the road longitudinal side, and up to the front that's one boundary wall, and this is the shorter side and the road left side corner. So assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. In the last clip I show you the land where the total land of 32 canal was available, and we are now check which formula will be used for area calculation, and how we can separate a plot of 10 canal from this 32 canal land. I show you the longitudinal side of the plot, which is this one was the longitudinal side of the plot. Here is the main road, here is the sub road. So now the total dimension of the plot is here. 505 feet is the roadside length, and the upper side length of the plot is 607 feet. The east side length of the plot, where the sub road is available, is 352 feet, and the west side boundary of the plot is 294 feet. If you know the area of the plot is 32 canal, so there are 20 marlas in 32 canal in one canal, so it will become 640 marlas in the total 32 canal area. If we convert the marla into square feet, so we will multiply 640 marla. We will multiply this marla into 272.25, because in one marla there are 272.25 square feet. So we will multiply 640 marlas into 272.25 square feet, So it will become the total square feet area of 1,47 for 74,240 square feet. So now we will discuss how to now we will discuss how to separate our required 10 canal land from this 32 canal land from this site. So we will start our calculation. So I will show the total calculation of these plot in this sheet. So here I calculate the total area of the plot, required area 10 canal, which will becomes 200 marlas, because one canal having a total of 20 marlas. So 10 multiplied by 20 will become 200 marlas, and the total square feet area of the 200 marla will become, I told you few seconds before that one marla is equal to 272.25 square feet. So we will multiply 200 into 272.25 square feet. So it will become the total round figure of 10 canals. 10 canal area will become 5450 square feet, 54,450 square feet. So the formula used for calculation of area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So our total area is how much in 10 canal? 54,450 square feet. So 54,450 square feet is the total area, is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So here is the length of the plot. Here is, we suppose 294 feet the length of the plot. So the length of the plot multiplied by breadth is the unknown. Here before calculation this length is unknown, so we will find the b. So b, how we can find the value of b? So breadth is equal to, it will divide 54,450 will divide by 294, which is the length of the total plot. So the breadth will becomes 185.2 feet. 185.2 feet. So we can measure from this point the total length of 185.2 feet, and also from this point. So this area is our 10 canal, and we can find the total area by the help of this formulas. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment box, and I will welcome every your questions. And if you my dears, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe the channel practical civil engineer. So please subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon for receiving more updated and informative videos.